Hello friends, this is Dr. Rahul Joshi. I'm a consulting homeopath. I am with Dr. Sapna Shah Mota, who has been my colleague for many years. We have practiced together, we have seen a lot of patients together, and proudly wish to say that Dr. Sapna has been instrumental in treating patients, taking their care in the COVID center with all the corona patients around. It's very proud feeling that Dr. Sapna has done this achievement. Dr. Sapna, welcome.
Hello.
How does it feel, doctor, after working for so many months in the COVID center?
Yes, I am very happy that I could do something for these patients. They are really going through a bad phase when they come to know that they are COVID positive. They are mentally also disturbed. They are away from the family. So it was a very nice thing that I could touch their lives to some extent. I could do something for them. So that was a very nice thing what I feel. I got immense satisfaction when I see them happy going back recovered.
It all started when you got an email from the BMC authorities. And many doctors, many young doctors like you, got this email that please come to serve the nation, to serve the COVID people. Many doctors opted to ignore the email. But what happened with you?
So when I got the mail, I was a bit surprised and I was not sure whether I should do it or no. But when I thought again, I said yes, this is the time I should serve for the people who are suffering because of this pandemic. This is the time I can do something for my own nation. I was very duty bound and I decided I should take it up.
Dr. Sapna has a 3.5-year-old little baby, and well, she has till now not left her baby for a single overnight trip also. So how was the feeling, Dr. Sapna?
So it was a very emotional and a very difficult decision as a mother that I have to leave him and go because it's a risk to come back home. So I had to live there. But I prepared my son that beta, I have to go. Your mama is a doctor and she has to go to help the patients out. And believe me, my son happily accepted it. I told him corona hai beta, mama has to go to the hospital. She will so he was so excited. He told me कि mama tum corona को डिशुम करके आना, तुम corona को injection देके रुला के आना, उसको भगा देना. So he was so happy to let me go. And yes, you know, it was a very difficult decision, but yes, I did take it up.
So,
and I'm very happy.
Dr. Sapna, how was the first day? You know, we always get jitters on the first day with so many patients around, so much of corona everywhere. How was the first day?
So first day was a very scary and a very difficult day because when I entered into the blocks, into the wards, there were a lot of frontline warriors who were admitted, like senior doctors who got affected and victimized, senior police constables, and a lot of people who were working in the front line got affected. And when I saw them, I was always scared that I have taken this up but I should not be affected. I have come to do something good. I should not go from this line to the other side. That was a constant
Doctor,
thing
tell
on
me
my
one thing.
mind.
Can you share with us how was your regular day like? How was your typical day in the corona ward?
So we would go there, go change into our scrubs, then go to the blocks, and in the blocks we would be wearing our PPE kits and entering the red zone where the corona patients would be there, where we would be monitoring them for their oxygen levels, their BP, their ECG, decide their line of treatment, which medications to start, that we would be deciding depending on their symptoms, coordinating with other units, their reports. So this is what we used to do.
Now, did you see a really serious patient? You have seen so many. Where he was serious and he was transferred, and that really very, very critical situation. Can you share one of the experiences?
So one of the senior constables were admitted, and he was a young man, and he was affected, and his family, his wife and a 3-year-old child got admitted on the same day with a positive report. And they came to know that the husband, the constable, was not maintaining good O2 levels, and his O2 levels dropped suddenly. So we decided to move him to the ICU, ventilate him, put him on BiPAPs, and luckily we could salvage this young man
Wow.
and return. You know, he recovered within 2 weeks and he was back with his family. So it was very nice
So
thing which we could do.
when he got
together.
discharged, I'm sure he must have thanked you all.
Yes, so his wife thanked us so much because we could salvage a father, a husband, and a frontline warrior.
Doctor, you went back after your service after over 1 month, and your society also, where you stay, organized a welcome to you. So how do you feel that, you have been in this field for last 10, 15 years now, but I'm sure this must have been one of your most satisfying moments.
Yes, I'm very satisfied. I have immense satisfaction that I could do something for everybody. And when I was welcomed by my society, I was really humbled, honored, and I was really moved by the gesture, the way they welcomed me.
Doctor, we are proud of you. We are proud that you're a doctor, and we are proud that you're a homeopathic physician. We as homeopaths always care for our patients a lot, but today you have made not only your friend circle, your society, your family, but also we as a homeopathic fraternity proud. And all the best for all your great endeavors, doctor.
Thank you so
Your
much.
family, your husband Sanket has been instrumental also as a
Definitely.
backbone to you.
Yes.
Your mother, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, everyone. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. They have played a very important role.
And today your late father also must be very proud of you. He's looking from heaven that yes, my daughter has
Definitely.
done so much.
It is a proud moment for both parents of mine. They are also my parents, my in-laws, and my mom. She is very proud of me, and I think I should give them and sir credit. He is my guru, so he's always been motivating and inspiring us to do good things in life.
Great. Now, as a signing off, would you like to tell something to our people watching this video?
Yes, I would firstly like to appreciate the BMC and the government
Wow.
who is doing a commendable job during this pandemic crisis. Only thing I would request everybody is we can contribute, our contribution would be that we stay home, stay safe and stay healthy, take due precautions if you are moving out of the house,
And wear masks.
and yes, definitely wear your mask.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Sapna Shah Mota for you, doctor.